Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and I am Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Borangshed. Today I am going to take an English class for class junior on students. Our today's topic, paragraph My Pet Dog C.W. Let's see our today's topic. Class junior 1, subject English, topic paragraph My Pet Dog C.W. Lecture 25, SW will be 15. Term Harmonial exam, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. So paragraph My Pet Dog. So you will start writing like this. I have a pet dog. I will be capital. I have ACV. I have a pet, P-E-T, pet dog, D-O-G dog, D-O-Z dog. So I have a pet dog. Next one is I eats. I will be capital, I-T-S. Its name, N-A-M-E. Its name is, I-S is Timmy. As this is a name, that's why we have to, T will be capital, T-I-M-M-Y, Timmy. So I have a pet dog, its name is Timmy. It, I will be capital, first letter of a sentence. It likes to eat, E-A-T, eat bones, B-O-N-E-S. So it likes to eat bones. Last line, I love, L-O-V, I will be capital, L-O-V, love. I love my pet dog, P-E-T, pet, D-O-Z, dog, very, V-R-Y, very much, M-U-C-H, much. So this is our paragraph. Let's read again. Paragraph My Pet Dog. I have a pet dog. Its name is Timmy. It likes to eat bones. I love my pet dog very much. I'm reading for the last time. My pet dog. Title will be M capital, P capital, D capital. So I will be capital. I have a pet dog. Its name is Timmy. It likes to eat bones. I love my pet dog very much. So my pet dog, I have a pet dog. Its name is Timmy. It likes to eat bones. I love my pet dog very much. So my dear students, your SW will be SW15. SW15, paragraph My Pet Dog. My pet dog. So your SW will be paragraph My Pet Dog. So my dear students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.